Halloween is probably my most favorite time of the year because it's time for creativity.
Welcome to MiniLya.
Have you got a costume for you and your doll? This year, I have made a Stella Jay bird costume for me, and now I'm making a spooky dress for Alysa so that she can join me on the trick-or-treating night. It's a nice sunny day, so I get my table out on our garden deck with Timothy amusing me while I'm working. I use the basic pattern that we use for many dresses. First, I trace the bodice pattern on the interfacing. This is fusible interfacing, so when I get all ready, I iron it on the main fabric. It will stick on the fabric like magic. I draw cutting lines around the interfacing panels, leaving an equal space for seams allowance. Now to sew the princess seam. As you can see here, one panel is curving off one direction and the other one is curving off the other direction. We cannot match the two cutting edges together. So what we're going to do is to clip on the straighter side as close to the seam line as possible. These clips open up and allow the seam allowance to meet one another. Let's sew them together and iron each seam. I continue with the back panels. The skirt is a simple half circle skirt. I found a piece of black spider lace perfect to make a spooky Halloweeny costume. Let's cut it about an inch longer than the orange skirt. As the skirt curve is much more dominant than the bodice, what we need to do is to clip the skirt open to match with the straight bodice. Let's put it on the dress form to decorate it. It might look more mysterious if I put some strings of dark beads on. Don't you think so? And maybe a decorative belt? When the decoration is done, I sew the lining layer on. Then Mommy helped me attach the zipper. When we got the stitches close to the zipper teeth enough, we'll get a perfect invisible zipper. Let's try it on my little girl. I'm super happy. Now Alysa can go trick-or-treating with me this Halloween.
Thank you for watching.